The automotive world has been buzzing with anticipation, and now it's finally here. The 2025 Tesla Roven. This groundbreaking vehicle is set to revolutionize the way families travel, blending cutting-edge, autonomous technology with unparalleled comfort and efficiency. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what makes the Tesla Roven the ultimate choice for families looking to embrace the future of transportation. Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, and the Roven is no exception. Designed with both practicality and style in mind, the 2025 Tesla Roven boasts a sleek, modern exterior that seamlessly combines aerodynamics with functionality. It's a design that not only looks good, but also enhances the vehicle's performance and efficiency. Every curve and contour has been carefully crafted to reduce drag, improving the van's range and energy consumption. Under the hood, the Roven is powered by Tesla's latest electric drivetrain technology. This ensures a smooth, quiet ride with impressive acceleration and range. Tesla has made significant strides in battery technology, and the Roven benefits from these advancements with a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Families can embark on long road trips without the constant worry of finding a charging station. And when it's time to recharge, Tesla's supercharger network makes it quick and easy, with most stations providing an 80% charge in under 30 minutes. One of the standout features of the Tesla Roven is its autonomous driving capabilities. Equipped with Tesla's full self-driving FSD technology, the Roven can handle everything from highway cruising to navigating city streets with ease. This means less stress for the driver and more time to relax and enjoy the journey. Imagine a road trip where the car does the driving, allowing the whole family to unwind, watch movies, or even take a nap. The Roven's advanced sensor suite and powerful AI ensure a safe and reliable autonomous driving experience, making it the perfect companion for family adventures. Inside, the Tesla Roven is all about comfort and convenience. The spacious interior has been designed to accommodate up to 7 passengers, with ample legroom and storage space. High-quality materials and finishes create a luxurious environment, while the panoramic glass roof adds an airy, open feel to the cabin. Tesla's signature minimalist design is evident throughout, with a large central touchscreen serving as the hub for all vehicle controls and entertainment options. Speaking of entertainment, the Roven is packed with features to keep everyone entertained on long journeys. From streaming services and gaming to an immersive sound system, there's something for everyone. The Roven also includes Tesla's innovative in-car theater mode, allowing passengers to enjoy movies and shows on the go. With such a wide range of entertainment options, boredom will be a thing of the past on family road trips. Safety has always been a top priority for Tesla, and the Roven is no exception. In addition to its autonomous driving capabilities, the Roven comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. These include advanced collision avoidance systems, automatic emergency braking, and a reinforced structure designed to protect passengers in the event of an accident. Tesla's commitment to safety ensures that families can travel with peace of mind, knowing they're in one of the safest vehicles on the road. The 2025 Tesla Roven also takes sustainability to the next level. As an all-electric vehicle, it produces zero emissions, helping to reduce the environmental impact of family travel. Tesla's dedication to sustainability extends beyond the vehicle itself, with initiatives like solar-powered charging stations and a focus on using eco-friendly materials in production. By choosing the Roven, families can play a part in creating a cleaner, greener future. In addition to all these features, the Tesla Roven is incredibly practical. With its versatile seating configurations and abundant cargo space, it's perfect for everything from daily errands to weekend getaways. The rear seats can be easily folded down to create a flat load floor, making it easy to transport larger items. And with Tesla's mobile app, you can remotely control various aspects of the vehicle, such as preconditioning the interior temperature or checking the charging status. As we've seen, the 2025 Tesla Roven is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of family travel. combining state-of-the-art technology with unparalleled comfort, safety, and sustainability. The Roven is set to change the way families experience the road. Whether you're heading out on a cross-country adventure or just running errands around town, the Tesla Roven is designed to make every journey more enjoyable and stress-free. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Tesla Roven. If you're as excited about this revolutionary vehicle as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in automotive technology. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Tesla Roven and whether you see yourself and your family traveling in one in the future. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.